Recording. Good job.
I lost the straw.
There's going to be certain fodder that's almost perfect for you when we get there. That's going to be what do we do in the season? You mentioned.
I don't have any.
Told you. Did it work?
Like, I'm on it.
Did you hiccup right now?
No, that was a joke.
Oh!